Welcome home to Daily Wisdom Practice. We finally did it, day 30 of our 30-day journey. To celebrate your graduation from this sacred space, hit that like button. Today, we aren't just completing a challenge. We are launching a new way of living. By the end of this video, you will step onto a lifelong path of effortless, automatic peace. Subscribe to lock in your permanent transformation, and let's begin. Let's look back together for just a moment. When we first clicked on day 1, we were simply looking for a way to fix our stress, our financial anxieties, or our difficult relationships. We approached Ho'oponopono as just another task to check off our daily to-do list. But over the past 30 days, something has quietly shifted deep within your subconscious mind. Those healing phrases have now become woven into the very fabric of your breath. The water, mirror, and eraser techniques have gradually cleared away all the static from your soul. This challenge may be coming to an end today, but your life in the state of absolute zero has only just begun. You may be wondering what comes next as you step into the next phase of a life of continuous cleansing. Dr. Hugh Len always taught that this cleaning never truly ends. Because human beings, simply by moving through the world, are constantly gathering environmental data and information from their surroundings. But here is the secret. You no longer have to struggle or force the inner work anymore. Because you stayed consistent for 30 days, your inner child, your Unihipili, now trusts you completely. The practice has become beautifully automated, and your soul has become a continuous, a flowing stream of zero, which instantly erasing any thoughts of fear, doubt, and lack. The exact second when they pop up. You don't have to chase inspiration anymore. You have now become a walking, breathing, clear channel for the divine. For the final guided exercise in this series, place your hand over your heart. Feel that complete and unwavering peace within your soul. You are truly home, a safe and tranquil sanctuary within yourself. Gently speak these final words to your inner child. Thank you, my soul, for this incredible 30-day journey. Thank you, my inner child, for doing the hard work with me. I fully accept my role as a cycle breaker. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I forgive myself. I am at zero. I am completely clear and pure. I am home. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, Seaport. Thank you, my soul, for this incredible 30-day journey. Thank you, my inner child, for doing the hard work with me. I fully accept my role as a cycle breaker. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I forgive myself. I am at 0. I am completely clear and pure. I am home. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, Seaport. Thank you, my soul, for this incredible 30-day journey. Thank you, my inner child, for doing the hard work with me. I fully accept my role as a cycle breaker. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I forgive myself. I am at 0. I am completely clear and pure. I am home. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, Seaport. The destination was never a specific date on a calendar. It was always the peace that resides within your very breath. Your final challenge is simply to keep going and to re-watch this playlist whenever the outside world gets too loud. If you have crossed the finish line and arrives at absolute 0, type "I am at 0" in the comments below to claim your official graduation. Thank you for cleaning with me. Thank you for supporting the daily wisdom practice. And thank you for being the light, the one whom this world has been eagerly awaiting. I love you. I am grateful to you, and I will always continue to clean up alongside you.